Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'll be showing you a new feature in version 19 of Odoo. There is now a salary adjustment tab. First thing you'll have to do is you'll have to activate it, this module here. Now when you go to the employees records, this tab is now visible. You click this button, you select a type. These are the designated default ones. You put an amount in, the duration, and the start date. We'll pick today. And there is an option for notes. It could be a raise, it could be some other type of stipend, what have you. Then you just click save, and it records it here in the employee record on this tab, so everything's transparent and it allows you to keep better track of payroll adjustments. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.